Hey, Dave Roberts, Mr. Bump Belts. Today we're shipping out 2 belts. This is a video game club belt for a championship tournament. You guys come up with great ideas and we make them for you. So this is what's going out today. But I just wanted to show you the toddler belts. So these are 30, these are 10. If you have a toddler turning 1 for a birthday party, this is pretty awesome. Throw this around her waist. And if you have a boy that's turning 2, throw this around his waist. And why not get the matching shirt? So again, you create the style, we create the product for you. So these are just examples, and you can't forget the baby shark, the butterfly. This is just a mimic of our larger belt. So when daddy and mommy have their belts on, baby can have the belt. And yes, they Velcro in the back, makes it nice and easy. And we size them for you. And let's not forget St. Patrick's Day. All right, get back to scrolling. Get back to scrolling. Later.